Are you looking for a Bluetooth speakerphone with a microphone to use in moments where you need to clearly communicate your ideas or have important discussions or meetings? If so, the eMeet OfficeCore M3 speakerphone is an exceptionally well-designed audio product that we recommend highly. We're about to review the eMeet OfficeCore M3 speakerphone, a speakerphone that comes with a sleek design, an easy-to-navigate interface, and above-average audio quality. Our discussion should include audio quality, design, volume, and mute controls. Let's get started. Along with the eMeet M3, the kit contains a USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable. The product also comes with a zippered carrying case for added protection. The eMeet M3 speaker comes in a small size. The housing is matte black and will mesh well with most office decor. It's professional in appearance. The eMeet OfficeCore M3 speaker is designed for office use, board meetings, classroom instruction, and conferences. There is a slot at the bottom of the housing. In this case, you can store your USB receiver when you're not using it. The receiver is very small, so it could be easily lost. Thankfully, it snaps into place securely in the storage slot. The controls consist of a set of 5 dark gray rubber buttons located at the front of the top. These buttons are easy to press and provide a reasonable amount of tactile feedback. Smack in the middle is a large mute button. When the phone is muted, the LED light ring will turn red to indicate that. The volume buttons are located to the left and right of the mute button. There are 10 volume levels in total, so you get a decent range of adjustment. The button on the far left is used for voice AI, while the far right button is used for phone calls. Additional controls are located on the back edge of the housing. These are more limited with just 2 tiny rubber buttons, one for power, one for Bluetooth. There's also a set of ports here. The USB Type-C port can be used for connectivity or charging. There's also a pair of 3.5mm aux ports. With the black port, the M3 can be converted into a personal conferencing phone by connecting a headset. And the red port allows you to connect 2 M3 speakerphones together to double your coverage area. Another neat feature of the M3 is the Kensington lock slot on the back. With a lock, you can secure it to your conference table or another heavy object. Inside the housing is a powerful 5,200 mAh battery. This battery carries enough charge to use the phone for 18 hours straight. It takes only 4 hours to charge, so you should barely ever have to worry about battery life. There are 3 different ways to connect the eMeet M3. Most people will want to use a wireless connection, in which case you have 2 options. To begin with, there's the USB receiver. Plug it into your PC or Mac and you'll automatically form a wireless connection. This works the same way as a wireless mouse or keyboard. You can also connect via Bluetooth, negating any need to mess with the wireless dongle. Alternatively, you can connect via a USB cable, which has a major advantage. It allows you to charge your battery while you're using the speakerphone. There are 4 smart omnidirectional microphones spread around the M3's perimeter. When someone talks, the microphones will automatically focus on their voice and amplify it. You'll even see the LED ring turn green in the direction of the speaker. To ensure the OfficeCore M3 can pick up voices clearly in a meeting room, there's an exclusive Voicea 4.1 algorithm that cuts down on background sounds and unwanted noises like the hum of an air conditioning unit. The algorithm also effectively eliminates residual echoes and other everyday background noises like the clicking of a keyboard, paper rustling, and even a creaky meeting room door being opened by a latecomer. It also has wide compatibility with different chat software. It works with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Skype, and almost any other service. Overall, the eMeet OfficeCore M3 speakerphone is a remarkable device. It offers excellent audio quality, is easy to use, and is small enough to fit on most desks. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.